Best leaf vacuums. Are you looking for the best leaf vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the best leaf vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Husqvarna Leaf Blaster 350 IB 40V Leaf Blower. Husqvarna continues to set a high standard with its battery-powered outdoor equipment, and the 350 IB 40V leaf blower is a strong example of that reputation. Like the brand's chainsaws and string trimmers, this model delivers impressive performance where it matters most. Designed for serious yard work, the 350 IB stands out for its combination of power, runtime, and user-friendly controls. With a maximum airspeed of 200 miles per hour and an air volume of up to 800 CFM, it ranks at the top among battery-powered handheld blowers and competes closely with many gas-powered units. It easily clears dry leaves, damp debris, and even stubborn wet clumps. In testing, it quickly handled routine yard cleanup and proved equally capable when clearing a 100-foot wooded trail, finishing the job in just minutes. One of its biggest advantages is runtime. Equipped with a 7.5 Ah battery, the 350 IB ran for 36 minutes in normal mode, over 10 minutes longer than most comparable handheld models. Charging is efficient as well, reaching a full charge in about 68 minutes. The controls are conveniently positioned on the handle and include a turbo button for extra power, cruise control, and a variable speed trigger for precise airflow adjustments. However, at 10.3 pounds, it is heavier than many competitors. The strong airflow can also create noticeable kickback in turbo mode. While it comes at a premium price, its outstanding power and endurance make it a worthwhile investment for demanding users. Number 2. Ryobi 40V HP Brushless 800 CFM Whisper Series Blower. If you're tired of the loud, high-pitched noise that most leaf blowers produce, the Ryobi PBLLB01K is a refreshing alternative. This model is exceptionally quiet, earning its whisper quiet reputation. Even at maximum speed, it emits only a low hum, making it far less disruptive for both you and your neighbors. Its lightweight design, just 5 pounds without the battery, makes it easy to maneuver and comfortable to use throughout its 1-hour run time. However, the PBLLB01K is designed primarily for lighter yard work. Its airspeed and airflow are limited compared with larger blowers, so it excels mainly at tasks like clearing patios, sidewalks, and other paved surfaces. It's also ideal for gently moving leaves out of gardens, flower beds, or landscaping areas without disturbing delicate plants. During testing for the Yard and Garden Awards, we found that it handled these tasks efficiently and with minimal effort. For more demanding work, such as large lawns or heavy, wet leaf cleanup, this model may fall short, and a more powerful blower would be a better choice. Despite its smaller scale, the Ryobi PBLLB01K delivers reliable, low-noise performance that is perfect for light-duty jobs. Its combination of quiet operation, lightweight design, and reasonable runtime make it a convenient tool for homeowners who prioritize comfort and noise reduction over maximum power. With an estimated airspeed of 180 miles per hour and a tested runtime of 21 minutes on max mode, it's a practical solution for everyday yard maintenance without disturbing the peace. Airspeed, 180 miles per hour, estimated. Weight, 10.6 pounds, tested. Runtime, 21 minutes, tested, max mode. Decibels, 57 dB, estimated. Number 3. Bosch GBL18 V450 in Profactor. If you need a reliable leaf blower for light-duty tasks such as clearing leaves or grass clippings from a deck or patio, or tidying up a garage floor, the Bosch Profactor is an excellent choice that won't break the bank. While it doesn't match the airspeed or volume of top-tier blowers, its maximum airspeed of 120 miles per hour and airflow of 433 CFM are more than sufficient for everyday outdoor cleaning and small-scale yard work. Weighing only about 8 pounds with the battery installed, the Bosch feels exceptionally light compared to many other models we tested. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver and reduces fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. The controls are straightforward and user-friendly, featuring a thumb wheel to adjust the speed and a trigger lock that allows for cruise control during extended use. In our testing, the Bosch delivered around 25 minutes of runtime, which is adequate for most household tasks, including patio cleaning, garden maintenance, and garage sweeping. Its manageable weight, simple controls, and decent power make it especially appealing for homeowners who want a fuss-free blower for routine chores without investing in a heavy-duty, expensive unit. Overall, the Bosch Profactor strikes a balance between affordability, ease of use, and sufficient performance for light cleaning tasks. It's not designed for large lawns or heavy, wet leaves, but for decks, patios, and smaller outdoor spaces, it performs well and is comfortable to operate. Airspeed, 120 miles per hour. Weight, 6.1 pounds, bare tool. Runtime, 25 minutes. Decibels, not applicable. Number 4. Husqvarna 360 BT Gas Leaf Blower. For those who need serious leaf clearing power enough to belong on a professional landscaper's truck, the Husqvarna 360 BT backpack blower delivers in a big way. Its 65.6 cubic centimeters engine generates an impressive 890 CFM of airflow and reaches top wind speeds of 232 miles per hour, making it more than capable of moving heavy piles of leaves across large yards or commercial properties. This level of performance does come with trade-offs, however. The 360 BT is loud. Early morning use requires caution, and wearing hearing protection is strongly recommended to protect your ears. Despite its raw power, the 360 BT remains surprisingly comfortable for a backpack blower. It weighs around 23 pounds and features a padded backrest, supportive shoulder straps, and a hip belt, which all help distribute weight evenly and reduce fatigue during extended use. The blower also includes convenient starting technology, such as an automatic carburetor purge system, which makes pulling the cord much easier and more reliable, even after the blower has been sitting idle. This backpack model is built for serious users, professionals who clear leaves for a living or homeowners facing large-scale leaf cleanup each fall. Its combination of high airflow, powerful wind speed, and ergonomic design makes tackling heavy leaf loads faster and less physically taxing than with smaller handheld blowers. While it's not a quiet machine, its performance and reliability more than justify the noise for those who need maximum efficiency. Airspeed, 232 miles per hour. Weight, 23.2 pounds. Engine, 65.6 cubic centimeters. Decibels, not applicable. Number 5. Ego Power Plus 765 CFM Leaf Blower. The Ego Power Plus LB7654 combines powerful leaf blowing performance with intuitive controls and versatile attachments, making yard cleanup easier and more precise. With top wind speeds of 200 miles per hour, it handled clumps of wet leaves, small sticks, and even stray rocks effortlessly. On turbo mode, the airflow is incredibly strong, so much so that I accidentally flattened a few plants in a flower bed from about 10 feet away while cleaning, highlighting just how much raw power this blower delivers. Fortunately, Ego's user-friendly controls make it easy to manage that power. The LB7654 features adjustable cruise control, allowing incremental increases or decreases in airflow via a convenient thumb dial. The turbo button is also within easy reach, so you can quickly release extra power when needed, such as when dislodging stubborn debris like sticks or stones. Adjustable cruise control not only helps protect delicate plants from damage but also extends battery life by maintaining a steady throttle between speed changes. In testing, the blower delivered about 26 minutes of runtime at high normal speed, solid performance, though below the top performers in our lineup. One of the LB7654's standout features is its range of nozzle attachments, including a rare wide, flat tip that creates a broad fan of air. This attachment was especially effective for clearing large surfaces like driveways and garage floors quickly and efficiently. Overall, the Ego Power Plus LB7654 is a versatile and powerful handheld blower, ideal for homeowners who need precise control, strong airflow, and the flexibility to tackle a variety of yard and outdoor cleaning tasks. Its combination of power, ergonomics, and attachments makes it a top choice for serious leaf clearing work.